Guys, good afternoon. So welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, you're highly welcome. I'm using one of my hands to hold my tripod, but yeah, today I'm just gonna take you guys with me for my little hygiene shopping, what I use both during pregnancy and postpartum. Although I was using bio oil, but I changed, so I'm gonna show you guys what I buy, the soap I use, and probably I'll go shave my eyebrow because my birthday is soon and I don't know if I'll really have much time to do that. So let me just start reducing the workload for myself. I'm not doing anything, I just want to look good, that's all. So I might carve my eyebrow depending, though I have an appointment in the hospital by 2 because of the contraception that I inserted is giving me issues. That's a story for another day. But yeah, I really need to get there by 2, so I'm rushing out now so I can meet up with time, and I hope I show you guys around, okay? But yes, definitely I'll show you guys when I'm back or while I'm at the store buying the hygiene, all the things I need. So yeah, come along with me. If you are new to this family, you're highly welcome. I do hope you subscribe soon, and catch you guys.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away, loving for another day. But she asked for something more. She asked for, yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She asked for, yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She mystifies me, tell me what I did wrong, I plead. Never did I think we would be loving for another day. But she asked for something more. She asked for, yeah, she asked for something beautiful.
So guys, I couldn't carve my eyebrow and I had to call to change the timing for my appointment. I'm rushing to the place now. They gave me extra time, so I had to pause what I'm doing. I'll go get the nursing bra and some other stuff from the store near where I live. I hope it will be cheap, so I'll take you guys with me. All right?
Yeah, she asked for.
That's the clinic. I managed to get there on time, so I'm heading to one of the shops near my house. I made it to the eyebrow place. Let me shape this eyebrow. Look like a human being.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want.
Guys, I'm currently at Asda. I want to get the nursing bra. Hopefully I get it. I'm seeing some leggings here. Let me see how much.
But she asked for something more. She asked for, yeah, she asked for something beautiful.
So guys, I'm exhausted. I was supposed to show you guys everything that I bought, but I think we'll do that in another video because I have some other skincare stuff that I had already. So it's just like I'm showing you guys what I have been doing to help my skin during pregnancy and also after pregnancy. So if that's the video you would like to see, do well to subscribe, like this video, and yeah. So basically today was hectic. As you saw from the previous part that I struggled. I almost thought I was not going to carve my eyebrow, but I succeeded. Girl, even though my baby was cranky, but yes, I did it. So I'm just here. I just finished doing part laundry a little, so I will continue tomorrow. This is one of the stuffs I got. I want to use it now because my lips are so dry. So the rest of the stuff I'll show you guys. That's if I'm not using them. I'm using them already. So why I don't want to show it now is because obviously I will not just come out, oh, I bought these, I did these, and blah blah. You get. I'll show you guys how I use some of them. Even though, see, this skincare thing is dedication, and it's so hard being dedicated to it when you are so choked up with a lot of things. Sincerely, kudos to those that are really faithful to this skincare thing. It's not easy. So far, I know I've tried. I mean, my skin is not so broken and all that, but it's not easy to stick to a regimen. I mean, is it well, I beg, let me not kill myself on top of English, I beg. But you understand what I'm saying. I know you understand what I'm trying to say. Something that I even forgot, like I enjoy trading, like not the result carving we do. I like the trading part. I don't like the plugging on. That one gets me crazy. But I like this one, and I think my face is out now. I'm sure you can tell the difference. Please, duh. I know you can tell the difference that I look good already. Okay, I look good already. Birthday is flick. Which flick? I'm not doing anything for my birthday, but the only good thing I want for my birthday is that if you're watching this video right now and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. It's like I'm just ranting this night, but I'm exhausted. I just needed to put this out and end this vlog here. I don't want this particular one to be too long, so I will be posting the next one. That's everything about the skincare stuff. I'll post it, what I used during pregnancy and what I used after pregnancy. So definitely you want to watch that. Hello. Aside from pregnant, it's not just for pregnant people. Disclaimer, it's not just for people that are pregnant or expectant mothers. You can also use it, and they are quite affordable. I didn't go for expensive stuff. Please, I want something that I can afford every month or every 2 months. Obviously, it's not something I will, soap. You have to buy that one like every month. You get. So it's something I can afford. I don't want to go above my budget and keep myself. So stick to your pocket. And what I'm going to show you guys is something that's going to help you. So let me not even start talking about that particular video. A quick one. I'm talking too fast. But first, let's hydrate these lips. My baby is sleeping and I'm busy shouting here. He's already moving. Come. This feels so nice. Funny thing is, you see this lip balm is peer pressure. I swear it's peer pressure. I've been seeing it everywhere. I'm like, how does this even feel? I have other lip glosses. Like should I say I'm a freak for lip gloss? But yeah, sometimes I forget and I just use Vaseline. In fact, do I even see? I use anything that comes to my mind for my lips. But I'm like, I need something that will stay. Feels nice. I said I needed something that was going to stay, that will make my lips feel moist and moisturized all through the night, all through the day. You get me? And this seems to be working. Let me not talk too fast. This is my first time of using it, so probably by the next video I'll tell you guys exactly how I feel about this. Yes, is the CarMax. Okay, Peach Mango CarMax Moisturizing Lip Balm. Yeah. So I'll tell you guys how I really feel about it in my next video. But so far, last thing I wanted to say in this video is that I'm trying to get a schedule for my videos because now I'm fully back. If you're not following me on Instagram to know where I'm fully back like this, you're missing. Please check the description and follow my Instagram. Okay. All right. So basically, I now have my phone so I can create content like if the idea just come back, we'll just arrange the script and we'll just do it. We'll just do it now. I will not be waiting for phone anyhow. But so yes, I'm trying to fixed timing for my videos. Days for the videos. I like to post twice because I don't want to overload myself and then promise you guys and then I will now be trying to post late. I noticed that if I post my videos late, I don't get views. Like my views are so low. It's so hard to get it up there because of the timing and everything. Like I'm always rushing to edit and I make lots of mistakes in the editing. I'm just being honest and ranting this night, so people should just hear my rant. I beg, don't click out, just listen to my rant. So basically I'll just I'm always rushing to edit and I'm posting. Sometimes the video has some little lapses. I'll notice it later and I'll just go back to try to fix some things. And people have already watched. Some that are not really interested will just click out. And it's so painful because I'm putting in so much work into this and it's so super stressful. Sometimes I look at it and I want to break down, but no, we move. I enjoy doing this. Like it's something I just enjoy doing. I like camera, like I like talking. So I just enjoy it. Okay. And I just want to create a timetable, right? So I'm thinking I should stick to my Sunday and Wednesday or Sunday and Friday. Whichever one, I will let you guys know in my next video. Yeah, I'll let you guys know in my next video. Even though I asked on my Instagram people, in fact, I don't even know what I've done to them. Why are you following me if you don't want to answer certain questions? Are you just monitoring my life? Are you witches and wizards? Are you from my village? If you're following me and you don't want to engage in something in my status, or just leave now. I beg. Let me see people that are really interested in what I'm saying. I asked on my Instagram, only 2 people answered, and guess what? Almost 800 and something people are following me. Like, kilo day, what is wrong with this hour? What is wrong with this world? What is wrong with human beings? Because see, I'm just like, what is really wrong with human beings? Why are you following me for crying out loud if you cannot engage in things that I post or answer simple questions? Okay, if you don't watch my YouTube videos, at least just suggest for me, right? I don't know if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, man, you cannot force people to like you. So, but just stop following me if you don't like me. Simple. Stop following me. It's that simple. Apart from you guys watching the video, though, I love you. Okay, so yeah, like I said, either Wednesday and Sundays, Fridays and Sundays. So I'll decide. I'll still put it out there. I'll still put it out there to see if people are going to answer me. And yeah, we'll pick the vote. If you're watching this video and you're not following me on Instagram and you would like to vote or whichever one, you can drop your comments. If you don't want to follow me on Instagram, it's optional. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this vlog here and stop ranting because my heart is full of plenty things. It's not easy for mommies to create content. It's not easy. In fact, it's not easy for anyone at all. Content creation is not for the lazy or it's not easy. It takes a lot of motivation. It takes a lot of pushing and everything. So please help us, okay? Help everyone. I mean, if you're watching somebody, even if you don't really like the person's face, just watch the video at least a little bit longer. I'm just talking everywhere. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me bite my apple first before I go. Oh, oh, I have injury. Oh God. So I have injury up on my gum and it's super painful, but I must finish this apple. Yeah. So yeah, I'm done ranting and I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest.